Aston Martin, well known for its sports car GTs, but with the time it took the wraps off from its first ever SUV, the DBX, and over a year from its global debut, the DBX is all set to come in India. Aston Martin DBX is a big fat SUV and is longer than that of a Porsche Cayenne, but not quite as long as Bentley Bentayga. It has a 190 mm ground clearance and adaptive air suspension, which can raise DBX by 45 mm and lower it by 50 mm depending upon the mode chosen. Though it doesn't get carbon ceramic brakes, its face is all Aston. While it's a big hefty SUV, the lines, 20-inch alloys, frameless doors give it a good chance. At the back, what will grab your attention are roof-mounted spoiler and a signature boot lid spoiler, as well as twin exhaust integrated in the bumper. On the inside, the DBX gets pure leather sport seats. Taking pride of a place is the 10.25-inch screen for the infotainment system. Also feature are 360-degree camera, a panoramic glass roof. DBX is a proper 5-seater and thanks to its long wheelbase. For those who want their SUVs to be practical, the DBX has a large 632 liters of boot space. Just like the DB11 and Vantage, the DBX featured 4-liter twin-turbo V8 sourced from AMG and produces 550 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. It helps the DBX to go 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds and top speed of 290 km per hour. Aston Martin has launched DBX in India with the base price of Rs 3.82 crores. So what do you think of the Aston Martin DBX? Would you pick it over other super SUVs? Tell us in comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.